Hi there, this Landrover 90, 1985. This has been resat on a galvanised heavy duty chassis. It's on the modular Weller wheels and they are on new mud tyres. It's got approximately 40,000 mile 200 TDI engine in it. It's been painted with the Raptor paint. It's got a matte gloss finish, spare wheel. Exmoor Trim Carpet, Leather Audi TT leather seats fitted in there. It's got a centre cubby box. So the best, really the best thing is the galvanised chassis. It's absolutely zero rot. It's got a new fuel tank fitted as well. It's recently been MOT'd. So we can put up in the air, up on our ramp. You can have a really good look at it, really good poke at it, but yeah, zero rot vehicle. And drives very well. And yeah, great addition to any family looking for a good old Land Rover for their rural pursuits. This is available here at Cross Country 4x4. We're in Market Lavington Village near Devizes in Wiltshire. And yeah, please do, you're welcome to come along, have a look. Like I say, we can put it in the air, get up on the ramp, have a good look underneath it. Has recently been MOT'd and serviced. The motor has done very little miles. You can obviously have a good look. Absolutely nothing to hide. And thank you very much for looking.